I think for me, probably the biggest impact is around connecting with other people across government bodies in Wales to find that we're all trying to solve similar problems, and the way in which those problems are articulated are from different perspectives. And that's a great source of both information and inspiration, because some people have progressed their journeys further than others. And it's useful to listen to people around how they describe their digital journeys or their digital experiences in a way that's personal to them. Oh, I think the biggest difference has come from the ability just to break away from the day-to-day challenges, creating space to think, space to reflect, and space to engage with people are of like minds. The opportunity to just explore different concepts, different techniques, different ways of working, and to have that challenged by individuals, I think it's just gold dust for me. It's just a great way to try to solve problems in a very different way by connecting through people and through different techniques, some of which I've seen before, but I'm a bit rusty. You know, the good thing about doing some of these things again as a refresh is that it's an opportunity to reconnect with some of the great ideas and ways of working from the past as well. I operate at a strategic level within Natural Resources Wales. So many of the techniques and methods that we've been learning tend to be used at a deeper level within sprint teams, design teams, so forth. But what I've realized is that some of those techniques as well, I can take up to a more strategic level. Prototyping is a really good example. I need to sort of elevate it to a strategic prototyping level, rather than consider it as a technique that can just be used within, you know, a design sprint. I think the best advice that I can give is to embrace it. There's a lot of good interaction, a lot of engagement with everyone else that's here. And I think it's a great opportunity to share, openly share, without fear of any repercussions. It's a great opportunity to share personal experiences in the safety of a room amongst people that may be struggling, maybe to articulate some of the experiences they're having, to be open, to be aware that people are listening and also on your side. So for me, it's a really safe environment to sort of maybe get a few frustrations off my chest as well, and to share those with other people.